Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send money using PayPal step by step. Whether you're paying for goods, sending money to friends, or transferring funds internationally, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Once the site loads, click on Login at the top right of the screen. If you already have a PayPal account, go ahead and enter your email address and password. Then click Login. If you're new to PayPal, you'll need to create an account before you can send money online. Just click Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to enter your details, verify your email, and add a payment method. Once your account is ready, click the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Now, you'll need to select a payment option. There are three main choices. If you're paying for goods or services, choose Pay for Goods and Services. This option includes PayPal Purchase Protection, which helps keep your transactions safe. But note, a small fee may apply. If you're sending money to someone in the US for personal reasons, choose Send to Friends and Family in the US. This option is free, and if you're sending money to someone internationally, select Send to Friends and Family internationally. This uses PayPal's partner service, Xoom, to handle cross-border transfers. Next, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and click Next. Make sure the information is accurate. Sending to the wrong person could cause issues. If you've sent money to this person before, their info may already appear in a drop-down list for quick selection. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Your local currency should be selected automatically, but you can adjust it from the drop-down menu if needed, if you want. You can add a quick note in the Add a Note field to let the recipient know what the payment is for. Once you're done, click Continue. Now it's time to review your payment details. Double-check the recipient's name, the amount, and the payment method before sending. If you'd like to use a different card or bank account, click Change Payment Method. Select the one you prefer, and then hit Next to confirm. If you have enough money in your PayPal balance, it will be used first. Otherwise, PayPal will draw the remaining funds from your linked bank account or card. Once everything looks correct, click Send Payments Now, and that's it. The recipient will receive your payment instantly. If they don't already have a PayPal account, PayPal will prompt them to create one to claim the money. Congratulations, you've just learned how to send money on PayPal quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple online payment guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.